Finding balance between work, friends, and family can be challenging, but with some strategies and conscious effort, it is possible. Here are some tips to help you find that balance. 1. Prioritize and set clear boundaries. Identify your priorities and make sure you allocate time and energy to each area of your life according to their importance. Set boundaries to ensure work doesn't spill over into your personal time. 2. Plan and schedule. Create a schedule that includes time for work, friends, and family. Make sure you allocate specific time slots for each and stick to the schedule as much as possible. 3. Communicate openly. Talk to your boss, colleagues, friends, and family about your desire for balance. Let them know your limitations and communicate your needs. This way, they will understand and respect your boundaries. 4. Learn to say no. It's important to know when to say no. Don't overload yourself with commitments if it affects your ability to spend quality time with friends and family. Prioritize your well-being and be selective in the commitments you take on. 5. Delegate and ask for help. If possible, delegate tasks at work or at home to lighten your workload. Don't hesitate to ask for help from family and friends when needed. Teamwork and support are crucial in finding balance. 6. Be present and practice mindfulness. When you are with your loved ones or friends, be fully present and engaged. Put away distractions like your phone or work-related thoughts and focus on the moment. This helps you make the most of your time together. 7. Make time for yourself. Don't forget to allocate time for self-care and personal interests. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Taking care of yourself will recharge your energy and enable you to be more present with others. 8. Be flexible and adaptable. Life is unpredictable, and there may be times when work or personal commitments require more attention. Be adaptable and adjust your schedule accordingly, but make sure to find a balance again once things settle down.